Hey, welcome back to the channel. Can I say the F word on YouTube? Finished. But before I show you what I did, let's recap. So back in September, the big YouTube guys all got together and said, hey, let's put together a group build of the same kit. And so they came up with this silly name. I tried to tell them that the Phoenix United Scale Model YouTubers was a really good name, but they never listened to me. So instead they came up with the United Scale Creators something or other. I don't know what they called it. But anyways, stupid name. Who thought of that name anyways? I digress. So I didn't have the 40 Ford kit that they were all building. So I looked to my friend Brian and he said that he had a friend that might have one. He picked up this old ass kit for me, made in the 60s. I guess it's probably the oldest kit that anybody in the whole group started with. In the first video, I unboxed it and showed all the ancient parts in the box, everything that I wanted to do to it. I decided to make a 90s street rod out of mine. So I took off all of the trim off the body, slammed it down on the ground on some Pegasus 20-inch wheels, filled in underneath the hood, put a Corvette motor in it, smoothed the firewall, took off the molded out in exhaust, put a lowered chassis, put these cool seats in it from the Chizoom kit, and an AAR CUDA exhaust. So now that I had everything all set up, it was time to paint. So Christmas got in the way, and my mom came to town after Christmas, and we had some fun while she was here.
What's that sound? You hear that?
What?
Do you hear that sound?
Oh, not again. Never mind. Don't worry about it.
Okay. Where's that sound coming from?
Where are you?
James, where are you? I'm Nancy, James' mom.
Do you even build model cars?
No, but I can make quilts. I can knit.
Get out of here. Well, we want to be built.
Get out of here.
While she was here, I did a little painting here and there, but after she left, I really got busy with the model. First, I started with some Gaia Colors Pure Orange. I put 2 coats of Bittersweet Pearl from House of Colors, put on the Lazy Modeler mask. I shot base red, and then I covered the red with Raspberry Pearl. The final assembly was on time, and I didn't really have a good time with it. It took me almost a week to put it all together, but I got it all together. So no further ado, let's check it out. So, what do you guys think? I think it came out pretty good. The House of Color paint came out really sharp. The 2K clear from Splash Paints, nice and shiny. I polished the paint out with this Art Lasky Dremel tool. Now would be a good time, if you enjoyed this content, to hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate that. Now that I'm finished with the 40 Ford, it's time to get started. Toyota 2000 GT, body's painted. What did I say I was going to paint it in? Red. So body's painted. I'll have it finished in a few weeks. Then it's time to get started with the group build for the Strictly Box Stock Model Club. If you haven't joined it, there's still time. It starts on February 2nd. See you guys later.